Welcome to Azipa Real Estate. Today we are in Syokimau, Nairobi. Syokimau is one of Nairobi's most desirable suburban area, ideal for living and working. Its strategic location, being 20 kilometers from Nairobi CBD, enjoys convenient commute via Mombasa Road and the Nairobi Expressway. If you are a frequent traveler and a business professional, a short drive to jkia is what you need. This 5-bedroom townhouse in Syokimau, selling at 35 million Kenya shillings, is all you need for a home.
Coaster of emotions and the whispers in my head. What you gonna do? 선택의 기로에 난 지켜내려 해. 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful and be humble, otherwise you should be ready to stumble. You know what they say, 자신감이 없니? 왜 당당하게 살지를 못해? Keep walking your way, don't look back. 너만의 길이야. Even when you fall, don't look back. 사실은 말이야. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. 'Cause it's only yours. Only yours, yeah. 쏟아지는 말 이미 어지러운 이 세상 속에서 어둠 속의 light 붙잡아 진실한 나만의 belief.